Ball up by Kulabat. Now it's Nur Siddiq. Back row, Buboy rejected. Mangulabnan. Now they reverse it on to KC Kulabat.
Medyo specialty din yan ni Casey. Good serve.
Hermeto first ball. It's Calado. Cross.
Oh,
The dig
what
there.
defense
by
there.
Another libero. And it's all worth it as KC Kulabat scores. Place. JC and Narciso. Sila yung naglaban sa finals.
But that was
Perpetual versus
before.
EAC. Yes,
Yeah.
nagkampi na sila ngayon.
Oo.
Back set. Kampong. Oh, bumalik. Jonas couldn't save it.
Nagkagulo sila on the defense, talking about sa Bosch. But take a look what happened there. Ang taas ng bounce ng bola. Ang daming mga magko-cover doon. Pero, be honest, medyo nagulo.
Parang Brian Pagunas eh.
Why not?
Oo, kaya niyang biruin yun kasi kaibigan niya talaga si
Oh.
Brian. He does get some tips from him as now, it is a point for KC Kulabat. Nagsasagutan ang ating dalawang koponan.
Mostly na sets na binibigay ng VNS sa mga wing attackers nila. Nahihirapan sila mag-activate ng middle attackers because of their first ball.